Me and Mrs B going on a nice boat trip. We haven't done one for a while. Taking the Fox out, the electric motor. We're going to have a nice little cook up down the river, spend the day just chilling out. So thanks for joining us, and see us on our adventure. Been long awaited getting the Fox boat out, so quite excited. We're off now, enjoying the beautiful river. Some of you guys seen this video of me on this boat, well, several times, but my initial video a year ago. I know some of you bought one of these. Hope you're really enjoying it. Oh, great fun. And the simplicity of this electric motor, great. Amazing stability with the air deck. The air deck is awesome. You can stand up in here. It's got 4 chambers with the keel. It's really robust material, ultra stable, and you can sit many people around the side. It's got a 560 kilogram payload, so you can use this boat for many different things. But I've had a canoe before, which I loved, but you know, horses for courses. This is great, easy to pack up, fit in a small car, very portable. I can carry this boat on my own, and there's great benefits to this. And it's also with an electric motor, so you just cruise down. And later on, maybe next year, I might do an extended boat trip, and I'll bring my solar panel so I can just keep topping my leisure battery up, and you can go for multiple days. So we're all loaded up with a day's worth of food, so we're going to be fed and watered and enjoy the peace and tranquility of this lovely river.
you getting out?
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is.
So thanks for watching. Thanks to all my subscribers and all my great support from my patrons. And I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy the great outdoors. Cheers guys.